Yeah, hi guys. Today we are going to see how can you redeem a promo code from any app or the website which gives you a promo code to redeem to buy a purchase for any apps on the App Store, especially for Apple App Store. So basically you will get one email from the teams that you needed to remove. You have to redeem this promo code here. They will give you the process of redeeming. So basically we will go through the process one by one and see how to redeem it. So once it is open up, so I am redeeming a Pastel Pal Clipboard Manager promo code here. So basically what you have to do is just if you are signed into, you open your App Store and then just go to uh, Pastel code. Basically you have to first remove this application which you already downloaded as a free version. Then you have to go to the App Store and just click on what is your application and just open it. I have typed a wrong spelling here. Yeah, so this is the application. This is a very nice application. It will copy all the things from your clipboard to your desktop. It is advisable to download this application. So when this is up and running, you just have to go into your as described here. Using Mac, redeem your App Store. Follow this step. Open the App Store application on your Mac. Then select the account profile icon in the bottom left corner. So here is a account ID and just go into your this clipboard manager back and just click on redeem gift card. Once this is opens up, you just have to go and click on your copy code, basically which you will be getting in the email. So once this is done, and you just need to go into App Store, redeem that one, click copy paste this and redeem. So once you click on the redeem, it will give you to redeem the offer, install the app basically. So once I install it, I will put my Apple ID and password. And just once you sign into your Apple ID and password, it will install the Clipboard Manager app. And now I have to click on redeem offer. You have successfully redeemed your offer, Clipboard Manager Pastel Pro. Open the app. So it opens up. You just need to follow on screen instructions. Advanced rule set, powerful context menu, quick settings, advanced search queries, and all of the things will be available. So you can check what version you are running. Just copy, click on the pastel code, just things. This is a premium version, unlimited copy paste, iCloud and more activated. So this is already done and I have redeemed my code, so it is working fine now for me. I just all the things are available here, and this is how you redeem your redeem code for the Apple's App Store. Hopefully you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I will be keep posting this similar kind of videos in the future, and please bye.